just submitted my Thailand Pass application. Received an email back saying I should get a response within 3 to 7 days. Obviously, I'm checking my emails every hour. Welcome to my channel. I hope you haven't missed me too much. I didn't realize my video is going to be so successful and useful for some people. So, oh, by the way, if you haven't seen it, don't worry, I will share a link at the end of this video. But following my success and the question I received, I decided to create one more video on this subject. In this episode, I will give you tools to help you to speed up the approval process and successfully complete your Thailand Pass application with no stress. As promised in my previous video, I will show you how to convert all documents to the JPG format using my Mac computer. So make sure you stay right till the end. Before I start, let me give you my first advice. Don't leave things till the last minute. Honestly, I read online, I submitted my Thai application on Friday, my flights are on Monday, would I get it on time? I just don't get it. You have 30 days to apply for Thailand Pass. So get all your documents in order and submit the application. But enough moaning from my side, let's crack on with application. First step, simple, right? I do recommend to create Gmail account, and don't ask me why, okay? I've read hundreds of feedback online before I created this video, and everybody who had Outlook, Yahoo experienced a lot of issues. So it takes 2 minutes, create a Gmail account. Also, when you fill the first page, make sure you put the surname in the right box and the name in the right box. Again, I see so many comments and complaints where people mixed up or simply misspelled their name. Flight details. If it's not a direct flight, let's say a London Phuket, and let's say you're changing in Abu Dhabi or Dubai, then the flight number, it should be your second flight, not your first flight, a second flight. Whoopsie, forgot to mention, if you're new to my channel and you don't know me, my name is Natalija. I've decided to quit my glamorous job in UK and go and live a simple life in Thailand. So if you are interested in my journey, it might be worth subscribing. Your likes, views, comments will all contribute to my channel growth. So thank you so much for watching. Passport picture. Do exactly what it tells you to do. It's got to be clear, it needs to be in that size, so don't do any of your own things. What I suggest, take a picture outside, just on your phone. In my case, it's an iPhone. If you do it inside the house, you may get shadow or reflection, so best one is outside, natural light, happy days. Let me show you how to do it on iPhone. So take a picture, cut it, save it, and then airdrop it to your computer. Job done. It actually saves in the right format, the JPG format, so you can attach it straight away to the application. third step, vaccine certificate. So what I've done, where you've got the dose 1 and dose 2, I've attached the same file. You know the one file with the 2 QR codes, attach it in both. In order to speed up the process, I suggest to cut the QR code, and let me show you how. It's really simple, just follow my steps. How to convert all your documents. Obviously you will have a letter from hotel, insurance, a certificate of vaccination. I used a free program where you can download 3 pictures for free. Have a look. The last stage is your hotel, which is simple. You already know how to convert all the file, thanks to me. And insurance. Same thing, you just need one page where you can clearly see the $50,000 US. So that's it. Nice and simple. One recommendation, if you are worrying about the application, do it with someone. Get someone to double check. As you type in it, you got your, I don't know, husband, neighbor, a kid sat next to you and really checking each point. That way you got 2 heads. Don't forget to print everything before you travel. You know, like back in the days, we used to travel with a massive folder with everything. That's how you're going to travel to Thailand, okay? For some reason, they prefer everything printed. So your hotel, your QR code from Thailand Pass, and every other document, print it out. I can promise it will speed up the process at the airport. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and then share it to your friends and family. In my next episode, I will share a unique discount code for your pre-departure test in UK, and also give you details of the most cost-efficient and reliable clinic in UK. So if you don't want to miss out, subscribe to my channel, and I see you next week. I've only got a couple of weeks left before I travel to Thailand. Got no furniture left. Oh.